I went through 2008 last time. You know, as the saying goes, pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. So at the end of last year, I sold almost all of my residential real estate holdings, 126 houses. Just got out. For about 6 months, I watched it continue to go up. And so I was like, oh man, could have made another million, could have made another million, could have made, and then all of a sudden it just falls off. Point being is dry powder, having as much cash and liquidity and access to cash and liquidity is critical. A few things if you haven't already done, you should be doing. Create liquidity, whether that is tapping into a home equity line of credit or whether that is tapping into other, anything you can do to create liquidity for two reasons. One, not just investing, but two, nobody has a crystal ball here, guys. Nobody knows, right? Your businesses should have enough cash, and you personally should have enough cash to weather any storm. That is just good business. The second thing I would tell you is if your business has not been right-sized and you were running a little fat, maybe too many employees over the last years compared to where the business is now, look at your business and anticipate that if the business went down 20% in the next year, how many employees, what should I have in place, what's the marketing spend, I should budget for it. Get rid of them now. Because the problem you want is too much demand and I have to go and address it. You don't want it the other way, where I have way too many people and there's no demand. And so being super responsible for that, because I don't care who comes up here, nobody has a crystal ball.